Greetings, fourth graders. Mr. Carter here, ready to do HomeLink 2.9. So go ahead and put your name on this sheet if you haven't yet already. And let's begin. Alright, so they're asking you to make a diagram or drawing and then write an equation to represent the situation. Then find your answer. So let's take a look. So we're starting here with Judith collected 9 marbles. Swen has 6 times as many. How many marbles does Swen have? Okay, so our unknown is, what we want to find out is how many marbles does Swen have. And what we know is that, so I'll box what we know. We know that Swen has 6 times as many as Judith, and Judith collected 9. So that's what we know. This is what we want to know. So I drew a drawing kind of help you, and your drawing might look a little different than mine. So I have Judith here with 9 marbles, and it's just a box that I put a 9 in. And I know that Swen has 6 times as many as Judith. So I wrote here 6 times 9, because look, 1 box of 9, 2 boxes, 3 boxes, 4, 5, and 6 boxes. So that would be 6 times as what Judith collected, because she only collected 9. So 6 times 9 would be our answer. So that would be our equation. So our unknown is, I'm going to put M for marbles, and we know that it's 9, which is what Judith has, times 6. And our answer to that would be 54. You could have done your times tables 9 times 6, or if you wanted to, you could have added up 9 6 times and got your answer. Okay, question 2. Saul ran 4 times as many minutes as Jerry. Jerry ran 12 minutes. How many minutes did Saul run? So again, what we know is that Saul ran 4 times as many minutes as Jerry, and Jerry ran for 12 minutes. That's what we know. What we want to find out is how many minutes did Saul run. So again, our unknown is going to be M for minutes. And here's my diagram. So I have Jerry here running 12 minutes, and Saul ran 4 times as much. So it's 4 times 12, because you've got 12 here, 12 here, 12 here, 12 here. That's 4 times as many as what Jerry ran. So our equation again is M for minutes. You could have used a different letter. I just thought M made sense for minutes. And you're going to go 12 times 4. You could have also done 4 times 12. You could have flip-flopped that, and that would have been fine as well. And our answer to 12 times 4 is 48. Okay. Question 3 was asking you to insert quantities into the number story and then make a diagram and write an equation to represent the story. So I'm going to read the whole problem through with the blanks, and then we're going to reread it and add some numbers in. So Lola picked blank apples. Elaine picked blank apples. I'm sorry, Eileen, sorry. Eileen picked blank times as many apples as Lola. So, I'm going to start with Lola picked and insert a number there. So I'm going to say Lola picked 5 apples. I'm going to hold off on putting a number here for Eileen picked so many apples, because we're going to have to figure that out first and then insert our answer. Because over here, Eileen picked blank times as many as Lola. So we can insert any number we want there. Let's say she picked 3 times as much as Lola. So my diagram might look like this. So I have Lola picking 5 apples, and if Eileen picked 3 times as many, drawing would look like that. 5 5. So now we can go ahead and insert our answer, because we know that it's 5 times 3. So Eileen picked 15 apples. Our equation with our unknown, because our unknown would have been the 15, we would have wrote A for apples. Again, you can choose whatever letter you want. And 5 times 3. So the answer here is 15 apples. All right, at the bottom, we're asked to write these numbers in expanded form. So I'm going to do 4 and 5, and then I'll have you do 6 and 7 on your own, and we'll check it over in class tomorrow. So for 4, it would be 3,000 plus 800 plus 30, and there are 0 ones, so we don't need to write that in. For 5, it would be 50,000, because that's in the 10,000s place, plus 6,000, plus there are 0 hundreds, so we're not going to do that. We're going to go right to the 3 in the tens place, which is 30, and 7 ones. All right, so go ahead and do 6 and 7 on your own, see how we do, and if you have questions, you can always come and see me. All right, this is Mr. Carter checking out.